Hello, my name's Terry. My call sign Golf 4, Papa Oscar Papa. And this afternoon I want to show you a new innovation in LogOM, which is the label and QSL card designer. And it was introduced in version 2.40 and will be updated a bit as we go on in time. But let me give you a brief outline of how it works. You go to Utilities and select either label or card designer. I'll show the card designer. All the operations in the card designer are equally applicable to the label designer, so I won't go through it twice. We'll do the card designer. We click on it, and first of all we get up the blank screen. If you've already got designs you made before, you can use the load button to load them, and obviously you can save your new designs accordingly. The size is set as a default to 140 by 90, but you can change the size according to the card you want to produce. So first of all, you need to think how you want to design the card. So I think first of all you want to put who the QSL card is coming from. So select the station call sign. If you click the add button, it's put in the list on the left hand side and it's inserted it into the window here. Now if we want to put some text in front of that label, that call sign label, we just click down the bottom where it says label and type in whatever you want to put. So we'll say from with a colon and a space, and then that we'll add that from, and that's Leslie's call sign. And then we obviously want to put in the call sign of the station we're sending the card to. So again, call sign is his call sign. Add it, and we'll place that over here. And if we want to say who that's to, so to, and again, you'll see we've added from to. Simple. So now, whenever a card is printed, it's going to print my call sign or whoever your call sign is, and the person to which you're sending the QSL card to automatically will pick that up from the database during the QSL card print routine. So now we may want to put in the relevant details of the contact. So let's go down to the date we had the contact. I'll put that in. I'll just shorten the field down a bit. You'll also want the time you had the contact. And slide it down from the top and put it alongside. Write that in. And you may want to have, obviously, the band. Add it. Okay, slide it down 20 meters. Shorten the field up a bit. And the mode. And shorten the field up a bit. And lastly, you'll want to tell him what his report was. So that's the sent RSD. And that was 5.9. That's all very impressive, but nobody knows what they mean unless we give them a title. So we have a field here, right at the bottom, custom text. If we check that, that will add a special field called custom text. Slide that down, and we can change that custom text down the bottom here where the text box is in the bottom right hand corner, and we'll change that to date. As soon as you click out of the field somewhere else, it makes a change above. So again, shorten that field a little bit. Now you have the choice there. You can obviously align it to the left, to the right, or in the centre. Your choice. We want another one of those fields. You can add the fields already selected, custom text, add another one, and this time we'll call it time. I'm out of the field and got the time now. Again, shorten the field up a bit. If you get the general idea, we've got another one of those fields. This time band. And another one for mode. And a final one. Or whatever you want to put. Perhaps we'll call this one report, shall we? Or PT. It could be, could equally well be RST or whatever you wanted to choose it, but we'll call it report. You could also, of course, change the size of the text, the type of text, the font they're using, the width, everything can be changed. Give it bold, whatever you want. So I'll show you bold on that one. We'll make it a little bit bigger. You get the idea. You can customize it exactly how you want it. Now, if your card has size to enable you to print a number of QSLs you had with other stations, QSOs you had with other station, you just keep adding fields underneath these ones. So another row of date, time, and so on. So you want 4 rows or something like that, and it will then print in date order, time order, the QSOs you had with that station automatically. And then at the bottom you might want to perhaps add another custom text. You might want to say 73. Oops, I made a mistake. Not a 7. Like that. So you see you can customize it now. Of course, you might want to put a background in. So if you want to put a background in, you need to load a background, click on the button, and go to your where you keep your photographs. Wanting to use in the background, I'll pick one at random. Perhaps one of my boat might be appropriate. And open. And there we are. You want to make the image bigger, just click fit. That'll fit to the window. You can see better now what you're looking at. So you get some idea of how simple it is to make a QSL card. Once you've done so, you save it. And we'll call this video card. And it's there for you the next time you want to do a card. I'll give you an example of one I did earlier. This is my card. So you can see I've given provision for 5 QSOs on my card. I put in my reference and my FIS number, my grid reference, and just a nice signal. The thanks QSO 73 is a field taken automatically from the station information that you've inserted as your preferred QSL messages. So that's a choice you can make. So it's fairly simple and straightforward, and the same principle applies to generating labels. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and look forward to doing another one for you sometime. Thank you for watching.